Namia and near Bon Empire say, you're near your eating for 4 weeks. A more moving count. Mimi!
Your papa babu. Madam Mokusi. Sana Editia's house. My bow so much so much I say. Oh, you know, fool. Oh, wow. Sir, now Pabuane. But I never been a G protocol booking flights, man. I come to me now.
Oh, my brother. Maybe Debiana, me bomb empire, saying a couple in me by 140. Oh, yeah, sure. I know, we are Mompayo. I never, yeah, fast now. Oh, we are fasting. Yeah, I'm caught up for not to go cancel. Did you? Wait, Yakupo said, you're fast the moment, I want to mean. Agovia. Oh, fine. Hello, me. Oh, my best friend, how are you?
I'm fine, Emily. How are you too?
I'm fine, thank you, madam.
What are you doing now?
Say me don't condemn. Yeah. Oh, me a business guy. I'm business guy in this town. Because me riska. Me do be me here. Ni papa st nkwana menton. Ba no kwa me pese me ni G4 ne start kasa na me Tony papa st.
Oh, ni ko. What me sister won abesi we over here.
Who is that way?
Here.
Why? Oh.
Mr. Go for America.
What free? America.
Sister.
Nyabute.
I'm funny chow no they say oh man. Sugar titi. Yes. Hey. Bra. Madam, we so best you. Madam, what oh, more than didn't you many one.
What's your friend's name?
Sugar Titi.
Oh, Sugar Titi. Hello.
No.
Oh, my.
Sugar Titi.
I'm Professor Yamale. I'm just confusing. Hey, we wish I have more Papa. Oh my God.
I just came back.
You come back to America?
I just came back from America.
Oh my God. Thank you, Jesus. I'm still from America.
Really?
Yeah, long time America.
Where were you?
What's that?
Why in America were you?
The town company day. Maybe another electrician for anything. One I'm in America. No site one. Yeah, I'm America. The America, they who do wire company light. We stay there, me and two. Me stay all.
You're so funny.
Yeah, you're funny too. You're nice.
Thank you. Are you sure you were there?
Yeah, I'm there.
So you're sure so now America?
Oh, say Martina. Oh, sister. Me pacho to kakra.
Yes.
Can you speak Tree? Yeah. And no cracker chance me here, this town. I'm a billionaire. I'm cash man. I have a money. I have some companies.
You know him?
So you stay agree here?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, hang on.
Where?
Here, around here.
Yeah, it's true.
He is so pathetic.
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
And so horrible.
Yeah.
Blah. Yeah, bye.
Mr. Mumefedionis.
Madam for no nature, no, so Wabandia was it, Nanika.
A private
He's so funny.
Yeah, I'm funny.
A private Sugar.
Yeah. No, I think I like him now. Let me listen to him a little.
Oh, okay, in your protocol.
It's true. I have some companies.
Really?
Yeah, I'm electrician company head. I have some my boys doing this town. Yeah. Oh, my brother, sister.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. I'm very sure. Because in my school, university. Yeah. I'm from K Poly.
What school?
University.
Which university?
High class. Yeah.
Where did you get this?
High class.
I sure they want to cut you. Is he one of your guys? No. My friend.
Yeah. Me and you, no, I done 4 parts. Long time money scarce. I give my money, plenty money. Yeah.
Hey. And you say, ain't you know? Over Babette, Tenassia, me, I'm baby, and man, as I walk out. We have to go and cook. Emily. Mitch. Oh,
okay. Mommy come prepare, bra.
What are you thinking about?
I'm thinking about my money.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
We have to go and cook.
Okay. Hello. Thank you.
Yes, Abra.
Baba. Me.
Sister. Now also them papa bla be na da wunyi ma me unpe so baby on your man so. Me share the Instagram. And na mama sika. Oh. Now Instagram account. It's all bad na what baby mama. The one am nyam sika to that to boss. Nanti unye ya ngo yimpa bwana mama. Oh, the one am nyam sika da enye sika na do tompa bwana. Hey, sister. You free. Scam this and unye na Instagram na nyam sika. Oh. Open then. Na unhwa de. Madam for na da roba. Mama ndo me phone ni asa. Madam for na. De mole de oba ya na nika profi. Ono na jitu bani o. Eh, sister. Na you show some free for no be. Enyi blue bi na de twa picture no de bai. Mesha, ebe wo. De o kan bi me yiye. E bi a ehyem. E bi a na ma hwese ehyem a. Oh. Wa bakura na o se ujiji nyoma ne ma me nam de bi yes snap. Me so snap. What to bag you? And I want for him. Hey, sister. Sleeping to some of him. Yes, it will. Show me to me for Bibiama.
Good afternoon, ladies.
Good afternoon.
I hope everybody's fine.
We are good.
I'm not off. I'm saying, you will be a light. I say off, area off. Muna off in Biana. As a meet a transformer, one side a pie. The fana kantanka na kasa we bia my emergency the next time you nso ni muna e te tender na pena de no akata off na no asa abantini bi na ma ye obi afoto de ama no eti me hwe na ya be ya mam ukwa me fitam fast me chaka na we
me da senyame adom
me mbwa right nice me hwe say me ya maboko
na dey na woni mole ko sa
I don't know me nim guy me nim da
this madam for you.
Oh yeah, me did Nkansah Lewen. Yeah, Anna. No, Ghana Lewen. Okay, how was the days? All of the days. Yeah.
Gone are the days.
Years back.
Gone are the days.
Yeah, gone are the days. Yeah.
So you used to?
Yeah. But now I'm the teaching medicals. Yeah.
You are?
Medicals. Me anyway teaching now.
Just I dey be to teach be ya.
Yeah.
Miss media do gidi.
Ogidi.
Media no gidi. OGIDI. Oh, say Gideon we're trying to short to Gidi.
Yeah. Gideon anymore.
Oh, say OGIDI Ogidi.
Mr. Of America na banra.
Oh, hello.
Hello.
Wow. What's your name?
I'm Sugar Titi.
Sugar Titi?
Yes, dear.
What sugar of the titi?
Brown sugar.
The brown sugar or white sugar?
Brown sugar.
Brown sugar. Okay. What do you stay?
New Jersey.
New Jersey, yeah. America.
Yes.
Wow. I'm also at Virginia.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah. So years back, but I don't want to go there because it's a SMP. Yeah, it's a SMP. Yeah. Now, when are you coming?
Sorry?
When are you coming?
Oh, just 2 days ago.
Oh wow. Yeah. How you feel Ghana conditions?
Yeah, weather and everything.
It's good, just that my sister is misbehaving. I sent her money to finish the place and then renovate the place. She didn't do it.
Yeah.
I don't know what she
did.
did.
It's the same issue people face.
Yes, everywhere.
If you stay in America or New York or if you cry the money in Ghana, the discoveries in the already I was an accident, yeah, and it's a very issues.
Yes.
Oh, nice meeting you.
Pleasure.
Yeah, I like your sister. My sister is my friend.
Oh,
you're so beautiful girl.
Thank you.
But please take care.
Okay.
But I'm busy tomorrow. I'll come back.
You're handsome. I like you.
To discuss about American issues. Yeah. Oh, thank you. You're so beautiful. How far the coronavirus there?
The cases, they're rising every day.
Yeah, I've got Trump suffer, but I'll try to talk to the Trump.
Oh.
Yeah.
Do you have access to Trump?
Oh yeah, Trump's my best friend.
Oh, yeah, big man.
Oh yeah, he is.
Okay. Papa is even why?
Hey. What's this guy there? Can I view?
Papa is even.
I see mommy.
Oh.
That mommy crema no. Oh.
It's no. And you never. Why?
Okay, my show anymore.
But
That's your first say.
Oh, Lorraine.
Lorraine.
Yeah.